Hi, my name is Chelsey Barnes. I'm a registered nurse and aesthetic provider here at Ageless Skin Rejuvenation. So this treatment is called the skin pin. It's microneedling, which is essentially a controlled injury to the skin. It helps improve fine lines, wrinkles, texture of the skin, pore size. It'll even help with scarring from old acne. We also did a combination treatment of using PRP, which is where we draw the patient's blood, we spin it, and we use their plasma, which helps stimulate its own natural collagen again. Honestly, anybody can benefit from this treatment, depending on what their skincare goals are. I'm getting married in October and I plan on doing this treatment to myself once a month just to give my face this great glow. It helps with the texture of my skin, it helps with some hyperpigmentation. Anybody that is a little bit older, it gives them a much more youthful appearance. With adding the Sculptra into it, it helps restore some of that volume loss naturally. You can kind of pick and choose your skincare regimen menu. You can just do PRP. Adding the Sculptra in really helps benefit scarring, volume loss. My client today, she's really concerned about her under eyes where she's a little bit older and she's just now starting to care about her skincare routine, and she has noticed dark circles and kind of hollowness underneath the eyes. So it'll really help plump that area. One major benefit of microneedling is that there's not a more than procedural downtime. You're gonna be kind of sunburnt for 2 to 3 days. Some people a little bit more, some people a little bit less. I typically look back to my regular self after a day and a half. The worst case scenario, you're still lightly pink at day 4, but there's no real risk. Just keeping your skin moisturized and staying out of the sun, those are the only things that you have to do to get a good treatment once you leave here. The major benefit of adding the Sculptra into this treatment is the Sculptra is causing the skin to stimulate its own natural collagen, which can be indefinite. It's turning back the clock to give you that collagen that you did not have before. So typically the results are seen best after 3 treatments with a series of 3 sessions, and best results are seen within 3 to 4 months. And then they typically last somewhere between 18 months and 2 years. This is one of our favorite services here because there's not a whole lot of downtime. Price-wise, compared to something surgical, we're on the much lower end. Also with this service, some clients that come in aren't candidates to have other procedures before correcting some of their underlying issues with their skin.